Welcome back. Whether you have pain in your joints or you just want to look younger, our next guest has the answers you've been looking for. Dr. Rafael Murchao, Medical Director at Biologic and Regenerative Healing Centers, joins us now. Welcome in, Dr. Murchao. It's great to have you on set. I've spent some time with you behind the scenes here at the station, and we're so excited about what you're doing.
Thank you for inviting me here, and it's a great pleasure to see your show. Always I like it.
Well, thank you. Now, you sound very humble, but what you do is really quite extraordinary. Tell me about your practice.
My practice is mixed. I see sick people, internal medicine, and probably almost half of the practice I'm doing for the last 4 years. Treatment of the joint disease with the FDA-approved, what's called PRP, platelet-rich plasma.
Yes, all right. Many folks out there right now are saying, oop, did he just say PRP? You did. Let's explain to people who might need a refresh what this is all about. It's very cutting edge, isn't it?
Yes, and it's the future.
Mm-hmm.
5-10 years from today, will be just about everywhere. Will revolutionize the medicine, basically, using your own body products.
Right. Can you break down the process for me of PRP a little bit more? I know that it has something to do with drawing your own blood out of your own body, correct?
Yes, yes.
But break it down for me.
Yes, it's a procedure which requires blood from the patient, his own blood. And then after we process to FDA-approved and licensed type of procedures. Mm-hmm. And after that, we obtain the best of that blood, which can help regenerate the damaged joints, especially ligaments. I was very lucky to have one of the United States gold medalists who came to me about 3-4 years ago with joint damage in his shoulder. He was sitting on one side. He was champ. He couldn't even lift his left shoulder, and we repaired that with his own stem cell.
Incredible.
Yeah.
So you had a very notable athlete come into you who, what was his injury, by the way? Was it just?
It's called one of those shoulders ligament, supraspinatus tendon rupture.
Okay. Mm-hmm. He had a ruptured tendon.
Yes.
And you knew right away, this is a great candidate for PRP.
Yes, I from my experience, I thought he's the best because he was still in a good shape and he needed his tendon. The other alternative would be surgery, and he had many surgeries before.
I tell you, I mean, a lot of people are looking for any alternative to surgery because, as we know, surgery doesn't always solve the problem. In fact, at times, it can invite new problems. So this PRP is very cutting edge. You mentioned the tendons, the ligaments. Can we talk about some of the other conditions that you have treated patients with PRP?
Yes, we treat patients also for growth of the hair. People who
hair growth?
Yes.
No kidding?
Yes.
I didn't know this.
I can show you bald patient and they really have a growth of their hair after PRP. We treat patients after accidents, especially when they have a car accidents in her back area injuries. Then there are many other treatments we use. There are many treatments in progress to be developed.
Even carpal tunnel, you know, there's a lot of folks here in the station, we spend a lot of time on our computers, and
right.
You know,
That's
sometimes
right.
we're complaining about that pain in the wrist, and you're seeing good results there.
Yes.
Wow.
Actually, it's excellent result.
And you've mentioned several times during this interview, it's FDA approved, so you
PRP,
can have faith that this is a safe procedure at this point.
It's very safe. I did almost close to 1,000 procedures in the last over 4 years. I never had one complication, but of course we're always going to be very careful.
Wow, this is super fascinating, and we haven't even really touched on the fact that you can use this for cosmetic reasons and are actually having some amazing results. I'm a little excited about that, but you're going to come back. Perhaps we can yes. talk about that more extensively next time. You do have a special offer for our viewers today.
Yes, my office manager made some special offer.
You're like, I don't know what the special is. My office manager handled that. You're too busy doing PRP, right, doctor?
Yes, yes.
Great to
and
have
I
you.
like it.
All right, I'll read it for you. Discover the power of PRP treatment with Biologic and Regenerative Healing Centers. They are located on West Sahara between Tenaya and Buffalo. For more, visit the website or call the number right there on your screen. Biologic and Regenerative Healing Centers is a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.